Stolen car crash in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are reporting that a vehicle was stolen in Manchester. The police are hunting for a man who crashed a stolen motor car along the Melrose bypass in Manchester. According to the police, the wrecked car was found abandoned along the roadway about midday yesterday. The police said that they could not immediately confirm the circumstances surrounding how the vehicle was stolen. However, the owner of the vehicle was able to identify the vehicle at the scene of the accident. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.